My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the browser notifications that are related to the website Effukectivetr.xyz. It is quite certain that the name of this website doesn't really make any sense, but the point is that this website may still come up in your browser without your intention to see its content. The website Effukectivetr.xyz tries to make you click on the special allow button, supposedly to continue your browsing or help you watch some video or to verify your age. But clicking on the allow button immediately hijacks the browser with intrusive ads displayed as random push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on the allow button, you need to immediately fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and research the websites allowed to send notifications. Delete any malicious sites that you might find here on the list. This is the manual way to fix your browser. I also recommend you to check your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start checking your computer with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether Premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So, after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.